In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to save a fortune in pocket money. Take a piece of paper as big as you can get, any colour you like, any type of paper, and with a felt tip pen, draw a big cross down. Now again, your felt tip pen can be any colour, but I like to use red felt tip on white paper. And it doesn't have to be neat, just draw a cross, and then in these top two sections, draw loops that join the middle. So there's one loop there, another loop there. And then in the bottom two sections, draw long, thin triangles that also join the middle. One there, and one there. And when you've done that, colour the whole thing in, and you'll have something that looks like that. Then take a gold or silver pen and start to decorate it. Now you can do anything you like to decorate it, but I'm just going to draw dots on it just to show you. And just decorate all of the red that you've drawn, and then very important, just draw a circle in the middle like that. Any idea what it is yet? No, I'm not going to tell you yet. Then, this might reveal it, just draw gold lines down the edge of all the red, like that. So all the red that you've done, just go around it in gold. And when you've finished it, you'll have something that looks just like that. Yes, you've guessed it, it's a bow. Now I want to make my bow look real, and I want it to stand out from the paper. So just watch this, this is a good little tip. There's an L shape that I've drawn, and to make that look 3D and stand out from the paper, I'm just going to draw a black line with a thick black felt tip pen down the left-hand side, and also down the bottom edge. And there, it makes it look 3D, as if it's got a shadow behind it, and it's standing out from the... Now, we need to do this with the bow. So just bring that back in, and looking for all the left hand and bottom edges on the bow, give it a shadow. So there's a left-hand edge, going all the way down there. And here's a bottom edge. Again, go all the way across. Now, you can take a bit more time over this, I'm just doing it quickly to show you. And then when you get to the bow, again, looking for the left hand and the bottom edges, and draw in your shadow. And even draw a shadow on the middle. Left-hand edge, bottom edge. And then when you've done that, take your red felt tip pen again and draw a rectangle in this bottom right-hand section, and go around that in gold, all the way around, and then decorate the red line in the same way that you decorated. Give it a shadow, so left-hand edge on the bottom edge, and then with a thin felt tip pen, write on it a message. Draw a little circle and some string to the middle, watch that. And there you have some do-it-yourself gift wrapping, complete with a gift tag. And what do you use it for? You use it for wrapping up your presents. Try it yourself. Very easy to do, looks incredibly stylish, and just think of all the money you're saving.